Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to jailbreak latest i latest iOS version 13.4.1. Okay, you can see 13.4.1 here, and it's my iPad. So you can see it's not a jailbreak and anything. So first of all, for this you need a Windows laptop, and in Windows laptop you need two softwares. First is Rufus. Another one is boot tray, that we're gonna use ISO file and gonna burn it into the pen drive, and you need a one pen drive. Okay, so for this you need to plug in your pen drive. Okay, in plug when you plug in your pen drive, then go to Rufus, and for these two files, link in the description. You can check my description of the YouTube video. Okay, as you can see, it shows me what, like, it's my pen drive name 32 GB. Then check disk or ISO image, then select the file. Okay, the file that is in the link boottrain, click open. Okay, and then click on the start. Okay, recommended. Okay, and it shows me that you're gonna lose your data, and then press OK. Okay, it's deleting partition and everything. This is gonna take like little bit time, not too much. It's copying. Okay, so guys, it's done. As you can see, it make the bootable pen drive now. You see there is file inside my pen drive now. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to shut down your PC. Okay, shut it down. Okay, so after shutdown, press the power button and open the boot menu. You can see this is my Dell laptop, so I'm gonna click F12 and it gonna show me Dell. See? Okay, now I'm gonna click F12 continuously and it preparing open boot. Okay, now for this laptop we need to go for the BIOS setup, or other laptops you can directly boot up, or you can check on the Google how to open boot menu or how to load boot. So I'm going to BIOS setup. Then in BIOS I'm going on boot sequence. Okay, here you can see it's a UEFI and boot list option legacy. In UEFI I cannot boot, so I need to go on the legacy mode and then click on the apply and then OK, and then simply restart the PC. Directly gonna boot your pen drive. On other laptop you can check on the Google how to load boot. Okay, after restart you can see it directly gonna boot up. It's my pen drive here, and you see you see the boot train, USB safe, then click enter. Okay, here it is loading. You can see now it ask you for the login. So login is Anon, then click enter. Password is void linux, VOIDLINUX, and then press enter. Okay, Now after this you need to enter sudo checkra, sudo space checkra1n, sudo checkra, and click enter. Okay, now here is welcome to checkra. Now you need to connect your iOS device, whatever iOS version. It gonna jailbreak it. Simply plug in. You can see 100% errors. Okay, before start, here is one trick. You just need to remove your iOS password. Don't forget it, otherwise it's not gonna jailbreak. Just as simply I turn off the passcode, you also need to turn off the passcode. Okay, you can see it's already turned off. Okay, so as it direct iPad 6th Wi-Fi, simply the version is 13.4.441 and connected in normal mode. Then you need to click on the start. As you can see, it's in the entering in the recovery mode. You can see this is in the recovery mode now. Apple. Okay, it shows device in the recovery mode now. Okay, now what you need to do, as you can see, there is so many ways to get in the bootable. So you need to first start, then press and hold the top button and home button for 4 seconds, then release the top button and keep holding the home button. You can see I'm gonna click on the start. Okay, then I'm gonna hold. Okay, so guys, to enter into the DFU mode, you need to click on the start button, then keep press hold and lock button of your device, and then release the lock button after 4 seconds and holding the home button. As you can see, device entered DFU mode successfully. Checking device. You see, this is a real bug setup and everything. It's triggering boot, and here you can see the Apple logo. Now it's Checkra logo. It's booting, still booting. It's Checkra. Okay, it's just for a few seconds. Okay, now after Checkra, it shows you Apple logo and turning your device on. Okay, so after all done, you can see here is the Checkra in my device. Same Apple device, open Checkra, and here is the Cydia. So click on Cydia, then install Cydia. So it's downloading base system. You can see installing Cydia. Okay, now we have Cydia here. So my device is completely jailbroken. Then you need to click on, for to use Cydia, just click on the complete or upgrade. Essentially it's up to you. I'm gonna click on complete upgrade, then I'm gonna click confirm. You can see. Okay, then I'm gonna restart Springboard. Okay, so it's all done here. As you can see, now Cydia is completely working. Oh, here is the Cydia without any error. If you found any error, just go to the source and just remove all these sources and everything. Okay, thank you guys. Just follow me and share it, please.